This is my drawing of Dark Sonic, and today I'm going to teach you each and every step so that you could draw this yourself. So grab a pen and paper and let's get started. Let's begin today's drawing in the center of the page and draw a small oval for the nose. We're going to start right in the middle at the very top, come all the way down towards the bottom, and then back up. Now along the top of the nose, we're going to draw a small circle for highlight, and then I'll fill the bottom of the nose in black. Now with the nose in place, we're going to wrap the muzzle along the sides. So let's start from the left side of the nose, curve this down, and then out, and line that up on the right side. Now I want to curve the cheeks, coming back in towards the bottom of the face, and then from the left side, curve the face, coming down, across, and then up. Let's move to the center and draw the mouth, coming down and up, and then add a small bracket on the ends. Let's add that thick brow across the top. We're going to start from the center of the nose. We're going to split the brow in half, going up. Let's go over towards the left side of the nose, bend this out, and then up. Do the same thing on the right. Now I want to curve the eye, going all the way around the top, come down and in on top of the cheek. Let's add a thick fold on top of the brow. On the outside, we're going to follow that curve, going up, around the brow, and then down on the inside. And we'll line it up on the right, coming around the side. Now let's go back to the cheek. We're going to add a fold, going out and up around the eyes. Let's go up above the brow and draw on the ears. We're going to start with another curve, just on the curve of the brow. And then from the ends, we're going to bend this up and then in towards the top point of the ears. Let's do the same thing on the right. Just follow that same curve, and then go up towards the top. Let's add the outside of the ear, starting from the left, bend this up, and then in towards that top point. Now from the inside, we're going to go thicker and wider as they come in and then down. Let's add that center point, starting on top of the left ear, bend this up, then in towards the middle, bend this out, and then back down. Now there's 3 sets of spikes on either side. So we're going to start from the left ear, curve this out, and then up. Let's go back to the left side. We're going to go all the way around the outside, and then bend that in towards the side of the head. Let's add that second set. We're going to go out and then up. Bring this down, and then curl that in just underneath the cheeks. Let's add one smaller set. Coming down and out, coming down, just pull that up underneath the head. Let's go to the center of the body, add an oval, that patch coming down toward the bottom, and back up toward the top. Let's move out to the side, curve the body going out, and then down towards the hip on the left, and then the right. Let's move back underneath that oval, step down, add a curve, going up and then down. Now leave a large gap in the center, go to the left side. We're going to bend the leg going out and down towards the left ankle, move over towards the right and do the same thing. Let's round out the bottom of the ankle. And I'm going to go back up to the hip, bend the leg going out and then down towards the outside of the ankles. Let's wrap that thick cuff around the ankles. From this point, we're going to step up, bend this around and then in, line this up on the right side in the opposite direction, then do the same thing on the right. Now let's add in the bottom, going all the way around and then just tuck that in. Let's go to the inside of the cuff, bend the foot coming in and then down towards the heel, and then we're going to round out the bottom of the heel. We're going to come down and then bend that up. Let's go back to the left side, curve the foot, going up and then in towards the side of the cuff. Now I want to add a thick sole across the bottom of the feet, so we're going to take this curve, step up, and I want to trace that across from toe to heel, and then on the right side, from heel to toe. And you're going to add that thick stripe across the top of the foot. Let's start underneath the cuff, come in and then down towards the sole. Move over towards the outside and draw that same curve. Now we're going to go back up to the top and draw on the arms. Let's start halfway between the chin and the hip. We're going to start right here. We're going to bend the arm going out and then down towards the wrist on both sides. Let's round up the wrist. And then you want to bend the arm going up and then in towards the top of the body. We're going to have that same cuff around the wrist. So we're going to step up from that outside corner, curve around and in. Do the same thing on the inside. Step out to create that fold and just tuck that in. Now we're going to go to the inside of the cuff and draw a half circle for the thumb, coming in and then out, and then add a bracket on the ends to close that off. And then we're going to add 3 fingers on either side into a fist. So we're going to start underneath the thumb, draw the first finger, coming down and up, just wrapping it around that bracket. Step down, add the second finger. Now the third finger, we're going to go all the way around and just pull that in underneath the cuff. Let's do the same thing on the right. Now the last thing we're going to do is add that little pointy tail over on the left hip. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. There's Dark Sonic from Sonic the Hedgehog. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, you might want to check out this video over here. I want to thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.